Friends, welcome back to the channel. Now today we will understand the concept of dates. For that I have created table dates and we will insert some data. You can see when I made first column ID, I use serial. Serial means auto increment. If you don't provide any entries to this column, you will get automatically starting from 1 up to whatever the rows you are inserting. And unique, we are using one constraint unique. It means every entry in this column will be unique. Okay, we execute it. We are inserting some data in that table. Now we see what is inside the sales table. Select all from dates. So you can see we did not enter any data in this column, but we got some entries starting from 1 because we are using serial here. This is constraint serial and unique too. So I wanted to show you here concept of dates. So one by one, when we use now, when we use now function, what you get date and time together. Okay, when we use now we get date and time. Okay, when we use current date, select current date. Remember, when we use current date function, we don't use parenthesis, or if you use parenthesis we will get error. So when we use select current date, we will get date. Okay, you can see we get date. If you use select now, you will get timestamp. Now if you want to make anything a date, so you provide a string month date. Now this was the string. If you use date here, you are converting it to a date format. Okay, now this will be considered as date. Now this is inside, it is a string, but you are using date. Now it is, this string will be a date. Okay, now this is a date. So next we will see the extract function. Select extract. If you want to extract year from a date, so use year from. We are using this date. You will see you are getting date. Okay, you get the year. If you use month, you will get month. This is the month, we already know. If you want to extract day, you will get the day. You can see you are getting the day. So that's how extract works. So if I apply this in my table, you will see how this works practically. Select all from dates. Now you see we have a date column, sales date, but our requirement is to find months only in this column. Okay, so now we will use extract function here. Extract month from sales date. So let's see what happens. You can see you are getting the month. Now if your requirement is date, you want a day from this this date column, you can use here day. Now you are getting days. That's how this function works. One more function we have named toChar. Okay, this is the function we are going to use. Select toChar. We are using this date function. Suppose we are using 26 5. If you want, we are using to char, we are using a date in single quote. Here you need to use single quotation also. If you want to get month, you will use month. You got May. Okay, now you can get more things, month and day. So if you use double D, you will get the day also. Getting? Month, day. When you use to char, you can extract many things at once. Suppose we want to get date, month, you got 23rd May. You can get year also. That's how you are getting values. If you want day name, you use directly a day. Okay, you can get day, Saturday. That's how to char function works. You can get day, month, year, day name, everything you can get. Okay, that's how to char works. If you want to add days, select date data type. After that we can use any date, month, date. If you want to add date, use interval in single quote, use 4 days. Let's see what we get. You got the added date, right? It was 24, you got 28. We can use month also, 4 months. You got the months added. Okay, you can use year also. Can you see? That's how an interval works when you want to add. If we want to subtract something, we can use minus, I guess, minus here. Suppose we want to minus one day. Let's see what happens. You can see you got 23. When we are using minus, we are subtracting from anything in our date. If you use plus, you are definitely adding something to your date, and you need to use interval. This is the important part. After interval, you use anything. You type whatever you want here in single quotes. 1 day, 1 month, 1 year. So that's how this interval works with our date. So that's how date functions work. You can use these functions for a table. Okay, I hope you understand this. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comments. I will try to sort out. Thank you.